So in this tutorial we will make the different shapes. Here we have taken two shapes here. Let's make the design, use and attraction. We have to explore the changes there. I will add a paint with it. So use the different structures. I will find another design, explore the changes there. Now we will have to use the different shapes, add a paint there. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.